drive. Russell and us, I drive from them at 13, 15. Roger, I drive it. I want to know. My boss people, my bring people, my shit. I still found to try to put me down, you know. When me I grow up in England and come through things, and I sit back and say, well, look at that. Before I'm glad for sister, I reach later, so I step out of the rascal manner and bring an impact to from out of the manner and pro on a fight blood clot me down. And I come with the lowest mind in our thinking as the most negative. That can be my no, what is 50 pound I want me give one somebody at Jamaica. I hide for one next time, because everybody can get 50 pound. How much time I give 50 pound? Well, then I take no liberty with my man. The God Almighty truth. Sometimes you hear something. I want them to shit in our church. And no member say me shit in our church because the way on the serve me with piece of drink, you know? And the people them away. Boy, me I telling the door on a different door. But God go down there, hear that? God go down there. I think I'm send on a pussy. I can't reach me there. Look for me now. Look. I'm 54. This time I'm going to be 55. No filter. And I'm out of charm. I'm going to go to backside and stand up glory. A blessing this step on me. And from a pussy with my son, and my sister, I get a career in music, I never stop. All when some of the producers, them now pay me no mind, I go there, I fund my music, all if I ABC 1, 2, 3, I put my own money into myself. I manage myself to what I can do. No can break me. I'm proud of myself and I grab me, I go for me, I go show no. It's the same like how I send my pussy, I wake up the Monday morning and I say, listen, I go make on a shame, I go proud of them. When I got proud of me. Remember, I don't know who member on my old page. When everybody condemn me and turn them back, I want to turn them. I rise against blood clot that I can rise against anything because I am the queen and the queen reign. And I say, when I said to me the morning, say, Mom, you cuss these boys and you don't know them. I say, I'm not busy with them blood clot Edmonton boy. I have my pussy picture, I'm a class them. Remember, me, and I come suck out, you hear that? Me, member, I'm in my bed, yes, I lie down with my black gold bedroom set, another one, yeah. I'm say, God, tell them to leave me alone, Father God. Come, never trouble none of them. I'm say, God, send somebody for me, for sing one song for me. And tell them leave, or come alone, or leave me, God alone. No can't stop me. You hear that? No. All who blood clot chat me. Me not want this. You hear that? All when I'm sick, we gonna look my one. I'm sick and suffer for one my belly. And do my one work, me I work. You hear that? You can't stop me. I'm a friend name again. My name is Dan Angelo. I think about Dan Angelo or Stylogy. I know my all purpose, but I was an artist. Just what? Morning. Right in the bed. No, never did it. When the one I look up and I'm a blood clot pussy and I condemn me. And when God said silk and silk come. Long story cut short, and Silk said, Queenie, be a girl is sending me a pussy video, you know. But you should tell him your pussy is clean and fat. I'm say, send it, go get them a walk. And I saw my producer start jump and say, Queenie, I've got faith in you. Say it again, Queenie, say it again. And if I carry him, I get out of that. My share come fame. Me not take blood clot and out, you hear that? And then a TikTok make me famous. Walk from me at the gutter, on the way. You think that a blood clot on the can't mind me? I mean mind myself, I build myself and support me. None of blood clot on the build me. And me build me. Yes, and support me. And I appreciate and support. But remember, every blood clot building black and me put it there. You hear that? And my clean blood clot for pussy me that send out when the whole of the blood clot people up in that time. I stand up to myself proud. And God give me a career in that. somebody call me now. I'm going to make 100,000 Jamaican dollars. 500 pound UK that. Don't fuck with me, hear that? I serve a lot of purpose on the Queen Rain. Move on a dirty blood clan. I'm strong and mightyful. And no matter what I got through, as God leave me down 7 times, I come about, move back. Because I have faith in God. Because God is real. Because I can, no matter how loud me is. Me clan me alone, I go. Tired of them, man. Why I'm tough it, boy?
Yeah, mama, all them, man. I make them with them. Yeah.
Bless up yourself. Bless up, blessed Sunday, blessed Sunday.
That is it, sister, man. All them, man.
Today, I'm a grandbaby birthday. Blessed Sunday. Nikki, what, man?
This I don't know for what.
Grandma, I have to just express myself, and you know, sometimes when things right, it bust your bed bust up. When I make my blood, can you calm down? When I make my blood vessel bust, may I say my speech. Can you do that, tough? Why are you doing that from?
Wow.
What you just do with it, Bob Marley?
You whistle, hold on.
The way them can do my bad, me don't even want them see my hand shake like that. Every minute them throw me out and give me warning. Patrick, morning, Patrick. Yeah. One tough. It's so tough where I go out with the music.
Well, music stubborn, you know, me can't bust.
Are you a producer or is an artist? He's what?
Yeah.
So you have for arts?
I me myself me even know me how I know.
No, so wait, you know, you're a producer, you're what, my dad?
No, me see. No, me DJ.
You don't look like you have no passion for that. So if you did have passion, that's why you're not a boss.
You remember me try to find song with you already and me I say, boy, this a song and I work. Me give up and in a work.
Which song was that?
The one that me I sing is Sunday night, man. The kind of man.
How would I get?
You don't remember I can't treat no bus. I mean, say this I last try. Me I
try. Really tough. You never get a better name.
I mean, say I last try this in a business.
Like, no, man, you have to put some power in it, man. I make the people them decide, you know? Because
I look me some more and go look at work out ice factory for dry ice. You say they want people out there for dry ice.
One female general, how will you do that?
Go and try to do that.
But listen, you know you have lyrics, you have some wicked one drop. If you put them per rhythm and it will make sense.
Put them per rhythm, nobody now view them.
TikTok, this is TikTok. You know, I love with TikTok. TikTok bring out a lot of people talent, you know? Because there were so much talented people. Nikki, thank you. So much talented people at Jamaica.